Hello friends, welcome to our Mad Kitchens. Today our Mad Kitchen will show you how make healthy juices recipe. 3 kind of healthy juices. So friends, let's start one by one and step by step with juices. Start now.
Nice and lovely. Welcome back, welcome guys. Well, today we're gonna make you a healthy drink. Basically, it's only gonna be beetroot and ginger. All right. First of all, this is my plastic tub right here, and I have 3/4 glass of water. That all I'm gonna do is to make you guys know that I'm just gonna use one big beetroot, a large one, like this, and simply we're just gonna remove the skin. Just peel it. And I'm wearing gloves at the moment because what happened now, the beetroot is so red, but you have to wear gloves to get away that redness because it's going to mess up your hand. And be careful because sometimes it do splash when you're peeling it. Nice one. So basically what I'm gonna do is just simply cut it up very small. Then we're gonna get a nice lovely piece of a ginger. You don't need to peel it, just cut it up, put it straight inside of it like that. Nice and lovely guys. So basically, as you can see, exactly what's taking place. I'm just gonna remove my gloves. We got 3/4 glass of water. And what we're going to do is squeeze half a lemon in the water with the seed and everything because we want to get that flavor from the seed. Lovely. And you can make this at home. Only beetroot and ginger. And now what we're going to do is put some honey. Few ices for coolness. And then what we're going to do next is simple cover. And blend for about 4 to 5 seconds. Nice. So basically the beetroot is finished blending. What we're going to do is simple. Strain it. Sometimes not always good to drink the fiber, but we're just gonna simply strain it like this. Look at that nice, lovely color. And not only that, beetroot is good for blood, good for cancer. There are so many things beetroot can do. Nice one. Lovely. Then, next, get your glass. Oh man, this is so fantastic. Because I love my beetroot. Then ice is a must. And pour everything in it like this. Oh my days, guys. Just look at that. Beetroot and ginger. Very simple and easy recipe. A healthy drink which you can have at lunchtime or at dinner time. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And the beauty with this drink, it's also good for cancer, good for blood, good for blood circulation, and there's a lot of more stuff. But here I have mixed spice, cinnamon, vanilla, and right over here I have half of a nutmeg which is just grated. So we got some carrot. Basically I'll need to simple cut my carrot. This is 3 medium-sized carrot which we're gonna use. So I'm gonna put it straight inside of my smoothie blender like this. My smoothie blender, guys, I want to simply say to you, is a 500 ml. So right here, this is 3 medium-sized carrot, to be honest, 3 medium-sized one. We're gonna put 500 grams of water inside of it to keep the blender smoothing. So that's one of the main things you need to do. So first of all, you need to make sure you blend your carrot first. That's the first thing you need to do. Very smooth it, and that's what I'm gonna do now. Nice and lovely. So I've been blending that over the last 4 to 5 minutes now. Remove my blender, and that's my smoothie blender. Get my little strainer right here, guys. You need to strain it. It's very important. Yeah, I'm gonna pour straight inside of my strainer, as you can see, and I'm not making not too much, guys. It's just a portion we can full a glass. That's the amount which I'm making at the moment. I just feel a piece of bump from one of it. That's fine. Some piece of the carrot. Squeeze it out. All of that juice out of the carrot. Some people use the carrot do other bits, but I'm not gonna use this to do anything else. I'm just gonna give you the full idea how to make the real Jamaican carrot juice. This one gonna be sweetened with condensed milk. So make sure you squeeze all of the juice out of it by using a wooden spoon or a spoon. Simply squeeze out the juice just like that. Beautiful. So we get all of the juice out of it now. So simple. Basically, you're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla. That's one of the main things you need to do. Right here, I just grated off of a nutmeg, and I'm gonna put it straight inside of it like that. It's good, nice to taste with a lot of nutmeg. Then a pinch of cinnamon, not too much. Cinnamon is very strong. Just to make you guys know, I got some mixed spices right here. Just a pinch of mixed spice inside of it. And you have to be careful with the mixed spice also. Then this is sweet condensed milk, which you're gonna use inside of it. So as you can see, just sweeten and taste as it goes along, guys. This milk is very, very, very thick. As you can see, lovely. Alright. So if I get this and put this at the side, and I'm just gonna simply sweeten it just like this. Let's put that on the side. And what I'm gonna do now is to taste it. Just a little bit more of the sweet condensed milk inside of it will do it good, really good to it. So I just put a large spoon of the sweet condensed milk because this one is very thick and you have to be very careful with it. So if I put that amount of sweet condensed milk inside of it, guys, I don't think I need to taste it. I know it's going to be really, really sweet now. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, this is my glass. And if I get a nice, lovely chunk piece of ice inside of my glass, and just pour down my carrot juice inside of it like this. This is the original Jamaican carrot juice, guys, if you don't know. This is what mommy or daddy or your granny would normally make on a Sunday back in Jamaica or in the Caribbean. The old good Jamaican carrot juice like this one, guys. I'm telling you, this one is the best, right?
enjoyed this video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't miss to check new recipes every Tuesday.
Thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.